Alright, what's up people of Earth? I'm here with cousin Tina in Denver. We are going to check out the Náttúruvísindasafnið in Denver, the Museum of Nature and Science. Gonna look at some skeleton bones. I'm rocking my brand new fresh gear, first time wearing t-shirt and my sweatpants. And guess what? I removed the tags, I put it on, had one last sip of coffee before leaving the house, and I noticed in the car all those coffee spills all over my shirt. Without further ado, let's go check out nature and science. Yes. You excited about today?
I am very excited. I haven't been here since my children were little.
I've never been here. I feel like
Nice.
a kid now. Because we are greeted by the magnificent Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's get the tickets. So þú stendur við hliðina hérna.
Yeah.
Side by side comparison.
The fish, the small fish head here. Oh.
Pretty small in prehistoric
My head
times.
could fit in. I'm so short compared to these.
Look at the size of this thing. I'm tall. Not that tall. Imagine witnessing creatures like this walking, roaming in the field back home in Scarth. Be like a dinosaur farmer. It's a huge body. Imagine all the organs and the thick layers of skin. Long-necked dinosaur. Diplodocus longus, very longus indeed. Beautiful. T-Rex, yes. And in 10 minutes we're going to the 3D thing. Just enjoying the company of dinosaur skeletons until then. Do you ever wonder what would it be like if you would see those creatures alive and walk among us? Scary, I know.
I think
in
it
a
would
way.
be very cool. I was
Fascinating
watch
and scary.
Jurassic Park.
Yes. Actually, you know the Jurassic Park, like the way they brought the dinosaurs back to life. According to science, they've been testing this for like years, or experimenting, doing something. They say that we might very well actually be able to see living mammals.
In our lifetime.
If everything goes according to plan. I don't know why. Maybe it's just like a morbid scientific interest. Either way, I just like to see a living prehistoric, especially large animal. Right now, this is all we have. Soon, maybe real mammoths. Quick 3D show, then we'll continue with the fossils. Serengeti. Serendipity.
Nej, father gonna say Serengeti.
Okay.
Okay.
We have a little 3D thing going on. Oh. The side screen, flip out screen looks weird when I look at it with quite a nice theater.
I'm trying to vlog like Ole.
Yes. We're about to start.
Yeah.
Let me turn this off and enjoy the show. Okay, we just finished watching a little movie about the Serengeti. Ég var alveg með þetta áðan í bíóinu. Serengeti,
Yeah.
yes. But now time for Egyptian mummies. Yes, let's check it out.
I was saying when my girls, his cousins, were little, they used to love expedition help. This was their favorite
Yes.
place to come into.
Let's check it out.
Welcome to Expedition Help.
Beep. Yes.
Maður setur bara kortið í allstaðar, þannig að þá getur maður bara gert svona. Watch your blood flow.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
Uh-huh. Yoga. Þú sér ástæðan stelpunar elskuðu.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's see what you're doing, Ole.
Hvað ég gera svona?
Yeah, just like that. Whoops. Wait, why is it not doing it? Hold
One more
on.
time.
There we go. 6'2½".
Yeah, look at how nice picture. And is all this printed on this here?
Yeah, you could look in here. How
Okay,
does your
you
arm
put it-
length compare to the? Most people are equal or very close. Okay, and then where's yours? Your
Mine is here.
There you are.
There you go.
Ole is going to see what happens. He's going to take his photo, and then we're going to see what he looks like when he's older.
Boom.
Now, okay, let's see. 10 years. That's not bad. Okay, he's still going to be
Okay.
handsome, but take a photo. In 10 years, so when I'm 60, let's see what I'm going to look like. That's not bad, but now let's see what I look like at 70. It's weird looking. I don't know about 70.
The eyes are kind of look, like you're like zombie or blind.
Yeah, I think.
Imagine this was somebody's mind with all the thoughts, memories, emotions, and imagination. I should donate my brain so people can look at it when I'm dead.
Mamma vilket detta!
You can do it.
I got it. Ah, I fell off.
Oh, almost.
Almost. The muscle challenge. No touching the ground. Let's see. I fell at the very, very end. See if you can beat Cousin Tina. I know. It looked easier, didn't it?
Actually, it's easier than I thought, but it might get harder.
Yeah. No, you'll be good. I just slipped. You have it. Oh, his long legs. Now he's getting cocky. Almost there. No. Woohoo! He did it. Yay!
I got good grip strength. Yes. Tina vlogging.
Hello, it's Tina P again. I was such an idiot just now. I just took a photo of myself and I did the whole vlog. Anyway, girls, I am here in
Doing some close-ups with the 85mm. Okay, put the card in.
Please wait while we gather your data.
Quite the data we are having today.
Going to collect
Quite
data.
indeed.
It's not happening. I hope you enjoyed your visit. No, I don't care.
What is happening to mine?
Oh,
And going on here.
print my profile to take out.
And this one's being repaired.
This. There we go. See? There I am.
Oh, my turn. Let me try. Here we go.
There you go.
Yeah, yeah. Those are nice kicks. I mean, I would actually wear something like that. Maybe not in the Icelandic winter, but I mean, like in the summertime, it's pretty cool. I mean, I don't think this one is from back in the day. This one looks pretty modernized. Búin að búa til bara einhvern póka eða eitthvað úr dýrinu og þetta lítur svona nánast ennþá út eins og dýrið. Yes. So those are actually the only bears that have walked the earth back home. not native to home, but they can get carried over by the ice. Doesn't happen often, but it did happen 2-3 times this one year. They didn't want to admit the third time because they had to shoot them and they're endangered. People got pissed off. Yeah, that happened in Skagafjörður back home. Before I moved there actually, but I could see a polar bear walking in the field back home. How would you feel about that? We need the mammals to protect our field from the polar bears.
Yeah, I think that's...
And we used to have walruses. We still have them around Iceland. They're so big. But they used to be, I mean, most of the population got eaten by the Vikings. I don't know, something like that. So big creatures. Colorado grizzly bear group. Magnificent graceful creatures. Brown bear. Had my first bison meat back in December. That's the one we saw in the zoo last year. The mountain goat. The goat of the goats. Grey wolf.
Checking back in with you, I just learned a new slang word, goat.
The goat.
I am the goat.
The vlogging goat.
I am the vlogging goat, which means I am what?
The greatest of all time. Yes, we were looking at the goats.
I'm silly. I'm giving these videos for you to make fun of me. Share them with your friend. Oh my God!
Had to put on video.
Yeah, get a photo after.
There we go.
Okay, so here I was again making the mistake of thinking I was vlogging, but I actually was just on photo settings. So anyway, I was sharing my new word that I learned today. I have slain my vocabulary now, and now goat. So I am the vlogging goat.
Yes,
which
the goat.
The greatest of all time. So
Yes,
that's
we were
what
just
I
looking at the
learned
goats.
today. So now you have a funny thing to share with your friends, and I know you guys like to make fun of Tinapee, so this is just...
We were just looking at the mountain goats, Colorado mountain goats, and I taught Tina what the goat means. So her girls won't be making fun of her. So she can act out like she already knew, but she blew it now because you vlogged about it. But that's authenticity. This is like real life, so we got a vlog goat here in the making. Yes. It just needs to learn to press record and make sure you're recording when you start talking. Yes. Det här är en moose här. This is a moose. So big. Manatees. All right, Náttúruvísindasafnið here in Denver. Lots of nature and science we had today. Thank you for bringing me here, Cousin Tina.
You're welcome.
We are going to have a dinner tonight.
Kaya, your cousin Kaya.
Cousin Kaya is gonna make us some dinner. But first we are going to stop in Best Buy, check out the microphone. I have a specific one in mind. If they don't have it, I'll save it for later. We are being helped and serviced, the best service in Best Buy by the best microphones, yes. It's been a while since I was in here. Not in this particular store, but I mean like Best Buy. Yes, video micro. Nobody touch anything before I make pictures.
Oh, yes, here we go.
It's actually good to see.
In action? In action,
in
yes.
action, people are like adding, yes.
Because I'm old and just likes people now.
If you had an infrared sauna.
I know.
Exactly,
I
the
just
sauna.
need an infrared sauna. And it's all better.
Have you heard at all about infrared saunas?
Yes, we had one in our swimming pool.
And tell me what you know about it.
It is very nice to sit in one. Unboxing video for you right there.
Wife now is going
Yeah,
through
you
this
are.
thing.
Did you know that GOAT stands for greatest of all time? G-O-A-T.
I was just teaching you
Because
that
you
earlier.
just said, yeah, but I thought you just said it was greatest. I just didn't.
No,
I
GOAT
didn't
is
realize
greatest
GOAT
of all
stands-
time. G-O-A-T, yes, greatest of all time. Yeah, we just learned that today.
Every day.
Tina was mastering her vlogging skills. from,
Yes.
Expert.
Oh
I
yeah.
thought I'll send you vlogs next year, Kyle.
Yes, just remember to press
You
record.
should do it on Snapchat though.
Okay.
That doesn't take storage at all.
Oh.
The picture you sent.
I thought I'd done a recording, and I meant to show it to Ole. He was like, Tina, this is a photo, not a video.
You didn't realize?
Learn by trials and
I sent
tribulations.
you guys thinking I was sending you a video, and then I was like, wait, what's wrong with my video? And you're like, Tina, this is a photo. So I was chatting away.
8 hour.
So I think we have a it's called unanimous vote, right? Yes.
Unanimous.
We're gonna have
Unanimous vote.
mammoths in Skarð. Yes, back
Yes.
home. Yes, definitely.
Definitely.
We got it on tape. Nobody can back out. We'll all have.
That's right.
Everybody can have their one each and their names, and yes, it's gonna be awesome.
Ready? Here we go.
Well,
Yes.
hold on. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Okay, go.
Yes.
One. Two. Okay, we just did 5 of them. So
We just did 5.
Okay, for the record.
No video camera proof of that, but we did
No,
5.
next time.
All right, Pepper, go poop, do your thing, do doggy things. All right, so yeah, we just had a lovely, beautiful family dinner where we were talking about the future of Skarð and our land in the countryside up north in Iceland. Mammoths would be an excellent addition and truly bring everything together and make it what it's supposed to be. I don't know, we're all just having fun. But I mean, like, imagine the possibilities and the potential. I mean, it could be great. I'm so inspired after all this nature and science today. Got this brand new mic. Here we go. So testing, how do I sound? Okay, next in line after Miss Piper has done her business on the grass here, we are going to check out Avatar, The Way of Water. Downstairs we have like this really nice home theater, just a true cinema experience. Big screen, surround sound, really cozy, nice sofas, reclining ones and cup holders and everything. And some popcorn. Another beautiful family moment right there for you. There you go. Yes, let's go check it out. Piper.
Another movie night.
Popular movies.
Yeah.
Let's see. The new one's off.
Piper, would you like a popcorn?
Oh, here we go. Ready? Watch this, Ole. Since she had her injury, we can kind of break this down. Piper, would you like some popcorn? There you go. You ready? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay, let's do the shake. Shake? Oh, thank you. Nice to meet you. You're so sweet. Oh, yes. It's so yummy. You're so cute. You're the best girl in the whole wide world.
Truly lovely.
Truly lovely. Quite indeed.
So it's been a long and adventurous day. How is my microphone working? Is it good? There we go. Yes. Bunny tail. Beep, 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 beep. Now I can speak directly to you. So I'm speaking in a lower voice. Everybody's going to sleep. I'm just importing my footage from today and having a quick look at it. Let me continue on the computer, do some magic. We are about to have the last days here in the USA, Vacay 2023. I'll see you in the next video. Stay cool, stay creative. Until next time. Boom.